Welcome to Wi-Fi Wisdom. How to enable dual band on netgear router. 1. On the basic tab page, click Wireless. 2. In the wireless network, 2.4 GHz B/G/N area, set name, SSID, to -2.4 G, where XXX indicates the Wi-Fi name. Saving setting. 3. In the wireless network, 5 GHz A/N/AC, area, set name, SSID, to -5 G, where XXX indicates the Wi-Fi name. Saving setting. How to enable dual band on D-Link router. 1. On the D-Link home page, click the Settings tab and select Wireless. 2. In the 2.4 GHz area, set Wi-Fi name, SSID, to -2.4 G, and in the 5 GHz area, set Wi-Fi name, SSID, to -5 G, where XXX indicates the Wi-Fi name. The last step is to save the settings. When the preceding settings are complete, the new Wi-Fi names will appear on the Wi-Fi settings page of your mobile phone. How to enable dual band on ASUS router. 1. In the Advanced Settings area, click Wireless. 2. On the General tab page, check whether Enable Smart Connect is on. If Smart Connect is enabled, disable it to separate the SIDs for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. 3. In the band drop-down list, select 2.4 GHz and then set network name, SSID, to -2.4 G, where XXX indicates the Wi-Fi name. Save the setting. 4. In the band drop-down list, select 5 GHz and then set network name, SSID, to -5 G. Save the setting. Thank you for watching.